we want to rationalize the denominator of the following expressions. You'll note that we have an irrational number in the denominator of this expression. This is considered to be a bad way to leave numbers. If a number is irrational, then the irrational number should be at the top of the fraction. The technique for doing this is relatively straightforward. We take 2 over root 3 and we multiply by root 3 over root 3. We'll see why root 3 is chosen in a moment. Root 3 over root 3 is 1. Multiplying by 1 won't change the value of the original expression. If we now do 2 times root 3, we get 2 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Note the denominator is now rational. Now looking at 2 over root 3 minus 1, we make use of the difference of two squares. We multiply by root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Note that this is root 3 minus 1 with the sign in the middle changed. 2 times root 3 plus 1 is 2, open bracket, root 3 plus 1. Now consider root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1. We have root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1. We know the difference of two squares, that a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Following the pattern, root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1 must be 3, take away 1, which is 2. The 2's then cancel, leaving us with root 3 plus 1. Looking at 1 over root 6 minus root 2, we use the same idea. We have 1 over root 6 minus root 2, and we multiply by root 6 plus root 2 over root 6 plus root 2. The top gives us 1 times root 6 plus root 2, which is root 6 plus root 2. For the bottom, we have root 6 minus root 2 times root 6 plus root 2. Following the pattern, root 6 squared is 6, and root 2 squared is 2. 6 take 2 is 4.